Welcome to Auto Car, your ultimate destination for in-depth automotive insights. Today, we delve into the 2025 Toyota Hiace, a vehicle that seamlessly blends functionality with modern design elements. Our focus will be on its exterior and interior features, exploring its design, performance, history, pricing, and standout attributes. The 2025 Toyota Hiace showcases a bold and modern exterior, departing from its traditionally boxy design. The front fascia features a prominent grille that integrates seamlessly with sharp, slender headlights, providing a dynamic and sophisticated look. Depending on the variant, these headlights may utilize LED technology, enhancing both visibility and energy efficiency. The body design emphasizes aerodynamics, with smooth lines and a high roofline that not only contribute to its sleek appearance but also maximize interior space. Large windows enhance visibility and contribute to an airy cabin ambiance. Wheel options range from 15 to 17 inches, designed to complement the vehicle's overall aesthetic while ensuring a stable and comfortable ride. Stepping inside, the Hiace reveals a spacious and thoughtfully designed cabin. Depending on the configuration, it can accommodate up to 15 passengers, making it versatile for various transportation needs. The seats are designed for comfort, with options ranging from durable fabric to premium leather upholstery in higher trims. The dashboard boasts a modern layout, featuring a central infotainment display and intuitive controls. The driver-centric cockpit includes an adjustable steering wheel and a clear instrument cluster, ensuring an optimal driving position and easy access to vehicle information. Storage solutions are abundant, with numerous compartments, cup holders, and door pockets strategically placed throughout the cabin to enhance convenience. Under the hood, the 2025 Hiace is equipped with a 2.8-liter turbo diesel engine, delivering robust performance suitable for both urban commuting and long-distance travel. This engine produces up to 130 kilowatts of power and 450 Newton-meters of torque in automatic models, ensuring responsive acceleration and efficient load-carrying capabilities. The Hiace achieves an estimated fuel efficiency of around 25 to 28 mpg, depending on driving conditions and the chosen transmission. Additionally, Toyota has introduced an all-electric variant based on the ETNGA platform, featuring a 150 kilowatts, 265 Newton-meters electric motor and offering a driving range exceeding 500 kilometers, catering to the growing demand for eco-friendly transportation solutions. Introduced in 1967, the Toyota Hiace has evolved over the decades to meet diverse transportation needs. Initially launched as a light commercial vehicle, it quickly established itself as a versatile and reliable choice for various applications. The first-generation Hiace was designed to accommodate a wide range of uses, from being a minivan and minibus to serving as a panel van, crew van, and even an ambulance. Its robust design and reliability made it popular in markets around the world, particularly in Europe, Africa, and Southeast Asia, where it often served as public transportation. Over the years, the Hiace has undergone significant transformations, incorporating advanced technology and safety features to adapt to the changing needs of its customers. The 2025 Hiace is available in various configurations to cater to different needs. The long-wheelbase diesel commercial van with rear-wheel drive starts at approximately $48,886. For those seeking more luxury and passenger capacity, the top-of-the-range people mover model, the Hiace SLWB Commuter GL, which seats up to 12 passengers, may go up to $80,656. Additionally, an all-electric version based on Toyota's ETNGA platform is expected, offering improved safety and ergonomics with a potential driving range greater than 500 kilometers. These options ensure that whether for commercial use or passenger transport, there's a Hiace variant that fits the bill. The 2025 Hiace comes equipped with a suite of features designed to enhance safety and convenience. Standard across the range are advanced driver assistance systems, including pre-collision warning, adaptive cruise control, and lane departure alert. The infotainment system supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring seamless smartphone integration. Depending on the variant, additional amenities such as premium audio systems, customizable ambient lighting, and advanced climate control systems are available, elevating the overall driving experience. In conclusion, the 2025 Toyota Hiace stands as a testament to Toyota's commitment to innovation and quality. Its modern exterior design, coupled with a comfortable and feature-rich interior, makes it a compelling choice in the commercial van segment. Whether you're a business owner seeking a reliable workhorse or in need of a spacious people mover, the Hiace offers versatility, performance, and a rich legacy of dependability. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of the 2025 Toyota Hiace. Stay tuned to AutoCar for more in-depth automotive reviews and insights.